In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Drive folder on your PC. This process is straightforward, but having a clear and detailed guide can ensure you're leveraging Google Drive effectively for your storage and organization needs. So, let's dive right into it and cover each step in detail. Firstly, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the official Google Drive website. You can simply type Google Drive into your search engine, or if you prefer, you can enter the URL directly, which is drive.google.com. Once you've arrived on the Google Drive homepage, you'll need to sign in to your Google account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your email and password to access your Google Drive. Now that you're inside your Google Drive account, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a variety of options, one of which includes a plus new button, which is typically located towards the upper left corner. Click on this button and a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with different options to create new items. From this drop-down menu, select Folder. A small window will pop up asking you to name your new folder. It's helpful to pick a name that reflects the contents or purpose of the folder, as it will make it easier to find and manage in the future. Once you've decided on a suitable name, go ahead and click Create, and your new folder will appear in your Google Drive directory. Now, to ensure you have easy access to your Google Drive folder directly from your PC, you need to download and install the Google Drive desktop application, if you haven't already. Head over to the Google Drive download page at google.com/drive-download and select Download for your operating system, whether Windows or Mac. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to set up Google Drive for desktop. After installation, sign in to your Google account and you'll have the option to sync your drive to your computer. During this setup, you can choose to sync the entire drive or just specific folders to a location on your PC. This is where your newly created folder will come in handy. Finally, upon successful setup, your computer will feature a Google Drive folder much like any other folder on your PC. You can now drag and drop files into this folder and they'll automatically sync to your drive in the cloud. This feature not only saves space on your computer, but also ensures that your files are backed up and accessible from any device with your Google account, wherever you have internet access. And there you have it. You now know how to create and access a Google Drive folder on your PC. This simple but powerful tool allows you to streamline your file management and ensures that your important documents are just a click away, both on your device and in the cloud. Thanks for joining me, and happy organizing with Google Drive.